please.
Oh, I remember that. That's up. It was sometime in 1983. It's 1983. My younger brother's wife got pregnant. We just contacted the hospital, Kamla Nehru Hospital, and she was under treatment of some doctor there. And it was told that she is having a twin delivery, so that we were expecting that twins will be born. When she was admitted in the hospital, I just contacted Dr. Singh because of one particular reason. The doctor there at Kamla Nehru told me that the operation will be done for the delivery. I never wanted that the operation should be done. That is why I contacted Dr. S.M. Singh, and I requested him if he could give some medicine so that the cesarean approach should be avoided.
Sir.
And Dr. Singh was kind enough to give me some medicine, and regularly I had been giving that medicine to my sister-in-law. It was someday in May, if I am not wrong, when the time for delivery came. It was sometimes in the night at about 11 p.m. What I find that it was our surprise that the twins were there. The first childbirth occurred in a normal fashion, and after some time the second childbirth also occurred in the normal fashion. The first child was a son and the second child was a daughter. So we were very happy. Doctor was very much surprised.
Sir.
She was expecting that the cesarean operation will be done, but I do not know how much surprised she was. She said it to me that she is surprised that how this could happen, that she was expecting an operation to be done, and without operation the delivery could be performed. I knew the truth. I did not tell the doctor that homeopathic medicine had been given to the patient. Anyhow, the delivery was normal. Both the children, of course, they came onto the earth. We were very happy. But the next morning, there was a very serious problem with both the children. They developed acute jaundice. They stopped feeding mother's milk, stopped drinking water. We were awfully worried the whole day. Sometimes in the afternoon, I was told to contact the children's hospital. Nearby, children's hospital was there. I went there, I talked to the doctor. The doctor there at children's hospital asked me to bring the children, and I thought of taking one of the two children. I took the son and brought him to the hospital. The doctor examined and said that it is severe jaundice and the total blood has got to be replaced. I asked him how you will do it. He said it that he will take out blood from one side and transfuse the blood from the other side. I was awfully worried that such a small baby, how he could bear that pressure. So I asked the doctor, what are the chances of death of the children? The doctor said that 50% chances are there. The child may survive, the child may not survive. So I asked him, and he asked me to manage the blood. So he could take out some blood from the body of the child. I was awfully worried that such a small child and the blood is being taken out. Anyhow, they got their own way, they got their own approach, they did it.
Was it referred to Children's Hospital?
Huh?
Was it referred to Children's Hospital?
It was referred to Children's Hospital from Kamla Nehru Hospital. They said that severe jaundice is there, we can't do it, and you have to transfer the children to the Children's Hospital, which was nearby.
Was mother RH negative, sir?
Mother was RH negative. That I know that very well, that story I will discuss a couple of minutes later. Anyhow, what I have to tell that by evening I was awfully worried what to do, how to save the children. Then again I went to Dr. S.M. Singh, who happens to be my student, my very dear student, He was very cooperative with me. So Dr. S.M. Singh met me and he said that he is not in a position, he will not be in a position to go to a government hospital and see a patient. But however, he can give the medicine, he said. I said that you give me the medicine and tell me what are the chances of the survival of the child. And Dr. Singh said that the 50% survival chances are there. The child may be survived, the child may not be survived. I analyzed that transfusion of the blood has 50% chances of survival, and homeopathic medicine, it has also 50% of survival. I preferred homeopathic medicine to be given. And I took the medicine, went to the hospital, and at about 11 in the night, I gave the medicine to both the children. And I just prayed, God, let us see what happens the next morning. And the next morning was a very fine morning when we could notice that both the children were fine. They were taking milk from the mother, and then they could even drink water. We were very happy. I contacted Dr. Singh. He gave me some more medicines, and the medicines continued for a couple of days, and the jaundice problem was over.
It was sulfur, sir.
I have to tell you that when I met Dr. Singh after a couple of days, I requested him to tell me the name of medicine because I was very inquisitive. And he said that it was sulfur. Today also he remembered that it was sulfur. He just told me one thing, that in Calcutta, every newly born child is given a dose of sulfur to avoid this condition. I remember this right now. And in the meantime, I had been suggesting people to give sulfur to the newly born. And I had been suggesting them with a confirmation that this is a recommendation from Dr. S.M. Singh. And people have been following this to my satisfaction. So I think this is one miracle which has occurred.
So what is the age of that?
Both the children, they are grown up by now. The son is an engineer. You can calculate from 1983.
23 years.
23, 24 years. The son has gone engineer. The daughter has completed postgraduate and she is working somewhere.
Sir, their name?
The son is named as Saurabh and daughter as Sugandha. Their father is Vikas Chand by name and their mother is Madhu. They live in 214 Malviya Nagar, located in Allahabad itself. It's old Allahabad, where 214 Malviya Nagar is located, and they are fine. I am very happy that both the children are comfortable. They are
even RH negative mother.
At that time, I just told Dr. Sahab that the mother is RH negative, and she has been given some injection of RH negativity to avoid that complication. Oh, Dr. Sahab, I have brought that child over here with me. I hope you won't mind if I introduce that child to you. He is Saurabh. He is the same boy I had been referring to. He is the same boy who was given the dose of sulfur at the time of childbirth, and he could survive. He is that boy who has gone engineer by now, and I hope that he will go on very well in his life.
So, yes.
By the blessing of
24.
What's your name?
Sarchandra.
Thank you. Thank you. May God bless you.